everyone. This is Felicia from Felicia by the Seasons. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. In today's video, I am going to be decluttering this pantry. Yes, I am going to tackle this pantry today, and I'm just going to go in here and look through everything that is in here, and I'm going to go ahead and make a decision of the things that I'm going to keep, the things that I'm going to donate, and the things that I am going to give away. So I am going to show you what this pantry looks like on the inside. So stay tuned. Okay, we are back, you guys. Now this is how our pantry looks on the inside. So as you can see, we don't use this pantry according to what it's designed to do, and that is to store food items and other food essentials. This is my little catch-all for smaller pieces of decor, and it's kind of like a mishmash of things that I feel that they are very breakable, and I don't want to put them in storage, or it's just a little catch-all area for everything. And I want to go in and declutter this pantry and get it organized before the next holiday, which is Christmas, gets here. And just to get more organized, because I'm pretty sure you guys out there, you got your own places in your home that is cluttered, and this happens to be one of the areas that I have. It's like a catch-all, and as you can see, I already got some Christmas items up there, so I'm just going to go through everything. I'm going to, look at the things that I'm going to keep, the things that I'm going to donate, and the items that I'm going to give away. And then I'm going to clean up the shelves and clean up the whole area and get it looking good. So stay tuned, and I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to take you along with me as you watch me step by step taking out all this stuff. I might do a little YouTube magic and just come back and give you the final reveal. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I am showing you my progress with decluttering our pantry. And as you can see, I have removed all the items out of this pantry. I have not cleaned it up yet, but I will go ahead and get that done. So everything is completely out, and I'm just showing you the shelves and everything. And yes, it's dirty because I have not cleaned it, so I'm just showing you the progress. And these shelves are pretty deep and everything, and yeah. Okay, now these are some of the items that I removed out of that pantry, and I have sorted each of the items out. So this was everything that I had in there that was related to Christmas. So I took that out, okay? And then I had vases and candles. So I grouped them together in this section. Then I had some seasonal, that's a little Easter. Then I had some little farmhouse items. Then I had some fall stuff in there. And then I had some greenery that I use throughout the seasons, and some miscellaneous stuff. And let's see what else. I had these racks that I use all the time. And then I have this stuff here. These are just little tiny miscellaneous items. There's summer stuff in here, as you can see. Those are my red cardinals that I'm never getting rid of because I love cardinals. That's a house that I recently put in there. Then some farmhouse stuff, some spring, summer accessory pieces, and my little angels over there. So those are those things that I took out of the pantry. Okay, now this is all the items that I am going to be donating. And you can see it's a mishmash of things. There is some Christmas, there's some summer, just miscellaneous items. There's some wedding stuff over there, a canister. So all of these items I will be donating to my local GCF or Salvation Army store. So yeah, that's my progress. And I will be back shortly to show you what's going on next. So stay tuned. Okay, this is my progress. Now this section here are all the items that I am donating. And so I went back through my stacks that I had set aside. And as you can see, if you rewind this video, I have added a few more items to this giveaway section here. I've added in those 2 pink vases. I've added in 2 clear vases right there. I've added in this red candle holder and this candle. So I've actually added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more items. 7, I added that. 8, I've added 8 more items to this giveaway pile. So that's basically what you do once you get everything out. At least that's what I'm doing. Once I get everything out, I'll go back and look at each of my piles and see what else that I can pull away to donate or give away. So this is my progress, and stay tuned. All right, guys, I am back. So what I'm doing is I am showing you the organization supplies that I am going to use to get my pantry organized. And I bought several of these baskets in different sizes. All these items I'm showing you, they came from the Dollar Tree. So I got this essentials basket in this oval shape here. I also got this larger one here. And this one is by Essentials. So all these look like they're by Essentials. They just come in different sizes. I also got this size here. This came 3 in a pack. And I got this long size here. And all these, of course, you know, are $1. So I just got these containers to get myself organized. And also I bought these universal tool hooks because in the top of that pantry there, I have some wall space up there that I can use to hang items. I also bought these self-adhesive hooks so I can hang things as well. And I bought these little chalkboard tags so I can label things for the pack, also from the Dollar Tree. And I bought this little handy dandy chalk writer so I can write on these little chalkboard tags, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and place these in my pantry, and then I'll come back and show you that, okay? All right, now I'm just giving you an update on my progress. So I have installed the white containers on the shelves, and I have also added in some items on the top shelves. As you can see, those are my candlesticks that I put up there. I have white Christmas tree. And I have started adding in items. Those vases, I've already put them in the dishwasher. They're all sparkly clean. I've got my white Christmas trees right there. So I'm going to continue on adding in all the rest of the items. Now, just mind you, the candlesticks here were not in the pantry before. I added them in because I want to put them all together in one place. All right, so I'll be back, so stay tuned.